This is Sitora. She was 21 years old when she travelled to Syria with her husband, who joined Islamic State militants there in 2015. In voice messages to her mother, Sitora documented her terror amid the horrors of war. Sitora was reported dead in 2018, but her mother does not believe it. Still clinging to hope that her daughter is alive, Sayura Fozilova lives in Germany. She is also fighting to get hold of her two grandchildren, who were born in Syria. When Islamic State militants seized large swathes of Syrian and Iraqi territory in 2014 and 15, supporters came from around the world to join the extremist group. More than 2,000 Tajiks also made the journey. Fozilova first learned from her son that Sitora was among them.
راستی یکم بار دیدم ترسیدم یا دهشت نمیتونستم که در تلفن نگاه کنم.
Within 2 months of their arrival, Sitora's husband was killed. Syrian, Iraqi and international forces were now starting to hit back. But the militants still held a huge area of land, brutally enforcing an extreme form of Islamist rule. Fozilova says her daughter was forced to remarry. Her new husband was another Tajik called Abu Dawood.
چند دفعه زده بود یه دفعه ویدیو کرده بود عکس گرفته بود که چکوای ابو داود زدگی سیاه بود تناش بسیار اذیت داده بود چه میگفتم که التماس داره یا روش بیا و ایمون خلاص شه.
Sitora, now with 2 small children, fled. After surrendering to Kurdish fighters, she wound up here at the Roj refugee camp in northeastern Syria. This would be home for the next 2 years, during which time Sitora was able to stay in touch with her mother. Then the trail went cold. She sent this final message in April 2018.
اینم خیلی اوچه پروستا من خودم زیخ شدم سیرانو داونو ندیدم تا تیسترک برام پیشت ببینم تا میفورم زیخی زارمی.
Fozilova was soon desperately seeking news of her daughter, but when it came, it was from Abu Dawood, and it was not welcome. He told her that Sitora had been executed after a prisoner exchange between Islamic State militants and Kurdish fighters.
باور نمیکنم که ستاره کشته شد. گپی را که اصلا باور نمیکنم. گپایی اصلا یگام تاش راست نیست.
Abu Dawood was later captured by the Turkish military and is now serving a 21-year prison sentence in Tajikistan. Fozilova is now fighting for her grandchildren. One is in a state-run facility in Tajikistan, but her granddaughter, 7-year-old Safia, is missing. Fozilova believes she is in the custody of a Tajik woman somewhere in Syria, and she's desperate to bring her to safety.